Welcome to MLS Campus, your go-to source for real estate education and career success. Are you thinking about growing your real estate business? Maybe you're looking for a career change with unlimited income potential? Well, you're in the right place. Today, we're breaking down 6 essential tips for launching a successful real estate team in Virginia. Whether you're a seasoned agent or just getting started, these tips will help you scale your business, close more deals, and build long-term success. But before we dive in, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss expert insights from MLS Campus. All right, let's get started. Tip 1. Understanding Virginia's legal framework. If you want to start a real estate team in Virginia, you need to follow the right legal steps. Virginia law, Section 54.1/2106.1, defines a real estate team as a group of 2 or more professionals working under the same brokerage using a fictitious name. To legally operate, you'll need a business entity license from Virginia's DPOR, a registered business entity, LLC, partnership, or corporation, a principal broker to supervise all team activities, compliance with Virginia's advertising and contract laws. Skipping these steps could jeopardize your business, so make sure you start with a strong foundation. Tip 2. Structuring your real estate team. Now, let's talk team structure, because the way you organize your team will determine your success. Here's what a winning team looks like. Team leader guides the team and oversees operations. Listing agents focus on marketing and selling homes. Buyer's agents help clients find the perfect property. Marketing specialists drive lead generation and brand awareness. Administrative support keeps contracts, schedules, and transactions in order. And don't forget, Virginia requires you to register a unique team name to build credibility and trust in the market. Tip 3. Mastering marketing and lead generation. You can have the best real estate team in Virginia, but if no one knows about it, you won't get far. Here's how to attract leads and grow your brand. Build a professional website with property listings and client testimonials. Leverage social media. Facebook, Instagram, and LinkedIn are essential. Boost your SEO so buyers and sellers in Virginia can find you online. Network and engage with your community to build trust and connections. Marketing isn't optional. It's what separates successful teams from struggling ones. Tip 4. Overcoming challenges in Virginia's market. Virginia's market is booming, but also competitive. Here's how to stay ahead. Market saturation? Specialize in a niche, luxury homes, first-time buyers, or investment properties. Lead generation struggles? Use paid ads, referrals, and automated follow-ups to bring in consistent business. Client retention? Deliver exceptional service and keep clients coming back. And remember, technology is key. A good CRM system can automate follow-ups, track leads, and keep your team organized. Tip 5. Legal and ethical best practices. Your reputation is everything in real estate. To build a trustworthy team, you must stay compliant with Virginia's real estate laws. Disclose your brokerage affiliation in all marketing. Follow fair housing laws. Discrimination is not an option. Keep accurate records to avoid compliance issues. Operate with integrity. Transparency will set you apart. A strong reputation leads to repeat business and long-term success. Tip 6. Take your career to the next level with MLS Campus. At MLS Campus, we provide state-specific real estate courses designed to help you succeed in Virginia's fast-growing market. If you're serious about building a top-performing real estate team, MLS Campus is your go-to resource for success. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.